family, it's Kiana coming back to you from Kiana's Creative Closet. I'm coming to you again with another fall haul. I know I've been doing quite a few fall hauls, but I picked up quite a lot of pieces, and I want to show y'all the awesome finds that I picked up. This time I went to Penney's as well as Burlington. Both, you know, are awesome stores where you can find pretty good sales. Burlington, you know, is like a discounted store, so you don't even have to wait for a sale to come on in Burlington. But Penney's always has sales. The items that I got from Penney's was 40% off. I got these items last week. So you still, I'm not sure if the sale is going to be on. You might can find some of the, I'm sure you can find most of the pieces still in store. I'm just not sure if the sale is still going to be on. But like I said, they always have sales, so you will be able to find some type of discount, I'm pretty sure. If not, also you can search online. You can find a lot of discount codes for most stores online. So let's get into it. So I'm going to start with Burlington first. Burlington, I've been shopping at Burlington for years and years. One thing I noticed about Burlington, they used to be aimed as a coat factory. Now, not so much. Now they're kind of just Burlington. It's not Burlington Coat Factory anymore. It's just Burlington. They even got classy on us. So Burlington now sells clothing, shoes, coats, houseware. They've been selling most of these items anyway. They just took the coat factory out of it. But that was one thing that I was kind of disappointed with, because one thing that I did notice, I went in there actually late August, and I was looking for jackets for my son when it was time to go back to school. And what I did notice, they don't have a lot of coats in there anymore. Even now, so recently, I was just in there last week, and what I noticed, even with myself, trying to find little dusters and little lightweight jackets and things that I can put on for the fall to kind of transition my summer clothes into fall, and you just wasn't seeing a lot. The coats and the jackets are mixed up in between the racks with the clothes, and that's one thing that I didn't like. I can understand that you kind of want to branch off into, you know, not just coats but clothes and other things as well. But come on now, Burlington, give us some coats as well. Give me a section where it's just coats or jackets. I don't want to have to look through racks and look through a whole bunch of clothing to see if I can find a jacket. I mean, it just makes no sense. When we think of Burlington, we think of coats. I understand that you want to get to the clothes and the shoes as well, but we think of coats. Get us some coats. Okay, so the first item that I have is this blue skirt. It's a midi skirt, paper bag waisted. It has the tie that you can tie it at the waist. Again, if you watch my last haul, you'll know that I love anything that's high-waisted. Any items that's high-waisted, any items that kind of cinch you in at the waist is my thing. This does have a slit in the back. One thing that I think I am going to do is take this to the seamstress and get the split sewn up. One thing that I don't like is splits in the back. I'm kind of heavier in the back. And sometimes that split will rise up on me, and I really do want to wear this skirt to work. This skirt is really cute. The color is beautiful. And it was $12.99, and this is in a size 14. It's pretty stretchy, but I must say, if you know Burlington, you can get good quality sometimes, but this is not a great quality. It's very stretchy, but it'll do for $12. I also got this dress. This is a wrap dress. I love wrap dresses. I think it's very flattering on any shape, plus or regular size. Now, some people might not like this and might say it's ugly or a little grandmamish. I think it's cute. I mean, I think my vision is to have this with some long black boots, or even some black booties will work too, but me, some long black boots, a leather moto jacket, and I think that'll be cute. I think it plays in on girly but kind of masculine as well with the leather jacket over top. I just love a wrap dress. I think the neckline of wrap dresses, showing a little bit of cleavage, is very girly. You know, a lot of times with the wrap over, if you sit a certain way or cross your legs a certain way, just so girly, just so flattering. Brings you in at the waist. I think everybody should have a wrap dress in their closet. If you don't have a wrap dress, I mean, come on, ladies, get with it. Get with the times. I also did find a coat, and I was very surprised because I went searching for this jacket. It's not really a coat, it's a jacket. I was searching for this jacket through racks. I was determined I was going to find me a nice fall inspired jacket, and this is beautiful. The color, the texture, the style, it is gorgeous. It's ties at the waist. It brings you in at the waist with cinches at the waist. I'm sorry. You also have pockets, functional pockets. It's like a trench, that trench style. Here's the back, and the color is awesome. You have the split in the back, and then you have the lapel. This color is just beautiful. It's a mustard color, and you know that's a fall color. Everybody loves mustard on the fall. This jacket was $34.99, and it is an extra large. Okay, I only have 2 pieces from JCPenney. This was a smaller haul. The last couple of hauls that I came to you with were a little longer. So I didn't want to make this as long as the others. I do have some more fall videos coming out for you. I did do a lot of shopping, and trust me, people, this is collective haul. Again, it's a disclaimer. I did not, all of this was purchased with my own money. I did not go out and buy these items at the same time. They were purchased at different times, but they all were purchased in the last couple of months. So the JCPenney haul, I only have 2 items, and that's going to be real quick. So firstly, is that even a word? So first, I have this beautiful crop jacket. This is tweed. I've actually been looking for a tweed suit. I couldn't find a tweed suit, but I did find this tweed jacket in JCPenney's. It has the faux pearl buttons with the gold trimming. And it's crop. Let's see, do it snap? I don't even think, it doesn't button. But it's just open. You can wear this with slacks, you can wear this with jeans, dress it up, dress it down. This is adorable. And this was, it was actually $90, but again, I didn't pay $90 for it. It was 40% off. I think I paid $50-something. Not sure the exact price, but $50-something. And it's in an extra large. And this is Burlington. Okay, and my last item is this dress. This dress is not really, well, it can be fall, but to me it's more of summery, but I'm going to transition it into fall. It's cute. It's just, again, another like 80s inspired dress. It's in an extra large. It's by the brand Arizona. I think this dress was $20. I'm not sure where the tag went, but I'm pretty sure this dress was about $20. So I plan to wear this with a black leather jacket, some black booties, booties. I got some booties with buckles and things on it. A leather jacket. You can even put tights on and get a little colder. You can put black tights on it. You can even put the mustard color tights on it. It'll be cute. So that's it. I just hope you enjoyed this haul. I do love to shop. I have a lot of videos coming back to you in the next couple of weeks, some more fashion. I also want to be doing some hair videos, some hair tutorials, as well as makeup tutorials. So stay tuned for that. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be updated of new videos. Hit the bell at the bottom of the screen so you can be updated and notified of any new videos that I might have. Thank you.